Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to Costa Rica if you need one. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any visa to any country, the very first thing we must check is that do we really need a visa? Because on our nationality, duration, purpose, we may or may not need a visa. And when we want to go for the process, we should always check based on the official entity that covers your residential area. All right, let's say you are in Canada and you wanna apply. Okay, in most of the cases, Canadians don't need a visa. Okay, but like in certain cases, other nationalities living in Canada do. So how you're gonna do in that case? I have opened this embassy of Costa Rica and Canada. So we have like consulate option. If you click on consulate, okay, here they have a link for visas. Now it has come. Okay, so this is the visa section where they have gone. You can go for other links too and read them out themselves. So Canadian citizens can travel up to 180 days, non-extensible. Okay, all right. Canadian permanent residents and holders of work student visas. Holders of Canadian travel documents. Okay, all right. If you go for others with the nationality, okay. All right. So now, so based on nationality and your status, you may or may not be need the visa. But yeah, if you want to go through the process, how it is, what are the things that you need to request an appointment by emailing this. Okay. You need to submit a request letter to Consulate General of Costa Rica with full name, surname, nationality, passport number, place of residence, reason for travel, estimated time of stay, approximate date of arrival and departure. Even Canadian citizens, if they want to stay much longer then they may need a visa. Then place where the applicant to stay. Okay, fine. Flight ticket round trip reservation, current criminal record certificate. Okay, proof of payment. To do, they have also said. They have an account in TD bank, valid passport with expiration greater than 6 months, proof of financial means, and they can ask for additional documents, passport size photographs, visa application form, email, and you have to go in person. Okay. All right. So if I open the form, so this form is, yeah, some portions are in English, so that's good. So this is for official use. These are the information as appears in your travel document. So good things in English too. Birthplace, date, birth, age, nationality, marital status, occupation, passport number, married through relative, host. Okay. Funds brought in the country to support yourself. Okay, travel expenses while in Costa Rica, tourist. Okay, fine. Based on your cases, first visit, last entry. Okay, if you have been there before, address, house phone, dates and sign. Okay. And then you can go for your appointment. Then based on the case, it will take place. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.